Chilling here. Oh, okay.
Can I open the present?
Go ahead. Only if they're addressed to you, though. There's like some addressed to some other people. So.
Let's see, shall we?
Can I open the present?
Yeah, of course you can. Open all these. I think they're all for you.
Make sure you read them to see who they're from.
Oh, they're from Santa.
No, like two
Okay, that's Roshi from Santi. Here you go.
I'm chilly. What you get?
Oh, Barbie. What is it?
It's a Barbie.
I know, Barbie what? Oh, it's got nail polish.
Oh,
Wow.
what's a little purse? Nice.
Can I open
Here, this is for me and Mammy. Do you need help?
I can't open it.
Here, let me help you. Mammy wrapped them up too good. There you go, see?
Look at you put up big presents by yourself.
Here, let me roll up your sleeve. It's getting in the way. There you go. Now. Yeah, give it to me, I'll help. It's taking you too long. Come on. No? Okay.
They're her presents, Daddy. You sure you don't need no help? Oh, somebody's got it.